This is what an open 4 billion model makes. Photoreal, any style, distilled to 4 steps. The same image, a 3060 and a 5090. FLUX.2 Klein, free and open. Let's install it. All right, let's get straight to the point and install everything for FLUX.2 Klein. Open your browser and go to our GitHub. Click the Setup Windows folder and look for install FLUX.2 Klein.bat. Click it and download it. Go to the folder where you downloaded it. Right-click the file, go to Properties, and at the bottom, check the unblock box. Click OK. Without this, Windows silently blocks the script. Once that's done, double-click to run it. If the blue smart screen warning shows up, click More Info, then Run anyway. If Windows asks for administrator permission, just click Yes. And there it is. The console opens, and the installation begins. One important detail. This install is incremental. It builds on the base ComfyUI, the one from our first video. If you don't have the base, run the base installer first. And if you skip it, the script notices, warns you, and stops. And if you already did the Z image video, good news. You already have the text encoder, and the script reuses it instead of downloading it again. The full set is about 32 gigabytes. But if you did the Z image video, you already have the 8 gig encoder, so it's around 24 for you. That's both modes, base and distilled, in both precisions, plus the new VAE. The recommended minimum is at least 32 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of VRAM. When it's done, we open ComfyUI. The workflows already show up in the sidebar, under Comfy Workflow, Image, FLUX.2 Klein, one for each mode and precision, base and distilled, FP8 and BF16. Just click to open one or drag it onto the canvas. The first time, it takes a little longer, because it's loading the model and the encoder into memory. From the second generation on, it gets much faster. There are 2 choices here, and they're the whole point of this video. First, the mode. Distilled runs in just 4 steps, under a second on a big card, while base uses 20, and they look basically the same. Second, the precision. FP8 is half the size, fits a modest card, and is even a touch faster on the big ones. That's my default. BF16 is the reference, same image either way. And here's the best part. It all runs on the 3 cards I test, including the RTX 3060 with 12 gigs, where FP8 fits basically native, with no heavy offload. You don't need a top-of-the-line card. And the quality is the real surprise. Clean photorealism in any style you throw at it. And that's it for the install. With everything ready, let's get to the part that really matters, the benchmark. The same image across the 3 cards, base against distilled, and FP8 against BF16. The same image on an RTX 3060 and an RTX 5090, only the time changes. This is FLUX.2 Klein, a 4 billion parameter model, Apache 2.0. Let me show you. First, what it makes. Photoreal portraits, landscapes, sci-fi, and wildlife, in any style you like. All at native resolution in just 4 steps. Now the main point. Same prompt, same seed, 3 different cards. The image is the same. I measured the difference, and it's practically 0. The 3060 gives you the same pixels as the 5090, only the time changes. Klein comes in 2 modes. Base runs in 20 steps. Distilled runs in just 4. And they look basically the same. On a 5090, distilled finishes in under 1 second. That is up to 9 times faster than base. BF16 versus FP8. Same image, but FP8 is half the size. And here's the twist. On the big cards, FP8 is also faster by about a quarter to a third. On a 3060, it's a tie, so ship FP8. Here are the timings. Warm seconds, averaged over 10 runs. Distilled FP8 is under a second on the big cards. Even a 3060 does it in about 7 seconds. Base is heavier, but every card gets there. FLUX.2 Klein. 4 billion parameters, Apache 2.0, and the same image on every card. Photoreal, any style, distilled to 4 steps, and sub-second on a 5090. Next up, SD 3.5 medium. Subscribe so you don't miss it.